Hello students, welcome to the business studies class in continuation of our chapter 1, nature and purpose of business. Today we are going to learn about categories of industries. Just let us recall our previous knowledge so that we can learn in an effective manner. Okay, we know that industries are included in types of business activities. Okay, business activities are of two types, industry and commerce. Industry refers to conversion of resources into useful goods, correct? Whereas commerce includes both trade and aids to trade. Trade means buying and selling of goods, and aids to trade means all those activities which help in executing trade, correct? Such auxiliaries are banking, transport, insurance, advertising, etc. So, industry is type of business activity, correct? Now, industries are classified or categorized into three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary relates to extractive and genetic industries. Secondary relates to manufacturing industries and construction industries. Manufacturing industries include analysis, synthesizing, processing and assembling. So 4 categories of manufacturing industries. And construction industries are related to all industries which are related to construction of dams, bridges, roads, canals, overbridge, tunnels, buildings, projects, big multi-tasted projects, etc. Okay. Tertiary industries include service industries like banking, insurance, advertising, etc. Now in today's class we are going to focus on primary industries. Primary industries includes activities connected with extraction and production of natural resource like earth's soil, beneath the earth, water, air, etc. Okay, so it includes extraction, means basically beneath the earth, and production of natural resources, means you are breeding or you are carrying the reproduction cycle, correct? So that are natural resources. Now, 2 categories of primary industry. First is extractive, raising products from natural resource like air, water, below earth surface. Example, extracting minerals, correct? Extracting minerals means suppose iron ore, and then it is utilized in the iron industries. So iron ore, extraction of iron ore is extractive industry included in primary industries, and using iron ore in iron industry is related to manufacturing industries, correct? Then fishing, take it from rivers or ponds you are taking out fish. Then hunting, correct? Animals basically are hunted or birds are hunted. Beekeeping, farming, from soil seeds are grown and then farming is done, okay? Or from then genetic industries includes breeding plants, nurseries and animals for their use in further reproduction, as for example cattle rearing, okay, rearing of cows, buffaloes for milk, and from milk so many dairy products are got, milk is converted into so many utility dairy products. Then poultry farming, we all know that eggs are needed, and for that hens are needed to be bred, correct? So and nurtured. So poultry farming. Fish hatchery, fishes are drawn out from rivers and ponds, and then they are used either as food or from fish oil. Fish oil is made, or medicines are made, etc. So basically primary industries include two category industries: extractive and genetic. Extractive industry basically deals with natural resource, and genetic deals with breeding of plants and animals for their further reproduction. Okay, in the next class we are going to take secondary and tertiary industries. I'll show you the written portion so that you can have a clear idea. Okay, see the type categories of industry, correct? The primary, the secondary and the tertiary, correct? Now the primary includes activities connected with extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organism. Then two categories: extractive, correct, drawing out from beneath the earth, and genetic means breeding plants and animals for their further use, correct? Cattle rearing, fish hatchery, poultry farming, etc. So meet you in the next class. Goodbye.